Hey guys, today we're going to replace the e-brake button. A lot of them have this issue right here. A lot of them have the issue where the chrome's peeling off, just like this one on the Type R. Honestly, I've had a lot of Integras recently that had a similar problem, and it's quite annoying. It kind of catches on your finger, and you're obviously always setting the e-brake, etc. I've never replaced one. It actually turns out I went ahead and pulled this off. The e-brake handle just pulls directly off, this plastic piece does. It takes a little bit of work. Honestly, I'd probably use a little bit of lube. And apparently this just twists off. And so I happen to have a set of pliers with rubber grips. Not that it really matters because we are replacing it with the new one. But apparently you can just grab a hold of it and twist it. We'll see how that actually works out for me, and see if that does work. We'll just twist this guy. A little spring on there that makes it rebound. I imagine to some extent that's about the only thing that I'd have to be worried about here. Not super difficult once you kind of break it loose. It seems like it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. So seems like it's coming off. I'm gonna see if I can't do it by hand now. Yeah, sure. So can do it by hand. Again, probably you know, good money spent here. Don't believe I bought a new spring. And here's the part number. I'll make sure to get that in the video here. There's the part number if you want to buy it. Brand new one. Do a quick comparison of these two. And so new one appears to be just slightly different, a little bit longer. It is the right part, but you can see that it's just slightly different design, it looks like, but that's okay. So with that though, I am going to take this boot off. Take the boot off, take this off, inspect this. It looks pretty clean. I don't really see a whole lot of rust. I think I'd be more worried about if I did throw it in the evapor rust or something like that, doing more damage to it than not by taking oil and stuff off. So I think we'll leave it as is, and not try to de-rust it or anything like that. Some of this is just dried up grease. And so probably we'll maybe degrease it or something like that and re-grease it. But looks to be in pretty good shape overall. Nothing big. The spring catches. See if you can get a zoom in on that. Spring just has two little tabs that are bent out right here. You can see them right there on the outside, but they just bend out, and the spring pushes on that to hold it in place. So pretty straightforward design there. So that's it. I don't even know, honestly. I think you could probably do it in the car. You could probably just take the pliers, throw it on the old button, and screw the new button on. So pretty straightforward.
Hey guys, hope you enjoy watching the restoration of the Rusty Barnacle, Integra Type R 98111. Please subscribe and keep looking for updates. Thanks.